Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make slow-mo effect in CapCut. And for example, I'm going to make slow-mo effect in this clip, and I will divide the clip into three parts. So click the split and then cut the video again as before. Split. And now the video has been divided into three parts, namely the beginning, middle, end. So I'm going to make slow-mo effect in the middle. I click the middle part and click speed, click normal, and swipe to the left for slow it. Click OK and you can see the result. Okay, that's how to make slow-mo effect in CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.